Understanding the collision model in simple terms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, collision model. This term might sound complex, but we'll break it down together, making it easy to understand. So, let's dive right in. The phrase, collision model, typically refers to a scientific concept in chemistry. It's a theory used to explain how chemical reactions occur. In simple terms, it suggests that for a reaction to happen, particles must collide with sufficient energy and the correct orientation. But don't worry, we're not going into a chemistry lesson. Instead, we'll focus on understanding this phrase in the context of everyday English usage. Let's look at the two words in this phrase, collision and model. Collision means a coming together or clash of two things, often with force. Model, in this context, refers to a theoretical framework or a way to represent something complex in a simpler form. So, collision model in everyday language could metaphorically describe a situation where two or more forces or ideas come together, often leading to a significant outcome or change. To better understand the collision model, let's see it in action with some examples. In a debate, when two opposing viewpoints clash, it's like a collision model in action. In business, a merger between two companies can be seen as a collision model, where two separate entities come together to form something new. Now, let's practice using this phrase. Here are a few sentences. The new policy is a result of a collision model of diverse opinions from various departments. Her innovative idea was like a collision model, merging traditional methods with modern technology. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, collision model. I hope this video has helped you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations and writings. Remember, English is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.